I have this old jewelry armoire, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to update your furniture using decoupage while creating a moody beauty vibe. I bought this jewelry armoire used off Facebook Marketplace, so I began with a good cleaning and some simple repairs. Let's prime this one with clear shellac in order to stop any potential bleed through. Moody beauties are one of my favorite looks to create. To create some mood, first we need some texture, and I do that on this furniture piece by using some Dixie Belle Mud. This jewelry armoire already has areas that look worn, so I dab the Dixie Belle Mud in all those areas to add texture and to make it look even more worn. Another step to create mood is contrast. The inside of the armoire is velvet, which plays and adds to that texture idea, but the inside is black velvet. To contrast, I'm going to paint the outside of the armoire a different color. When the paint was dry, I wrapped 120 grit sandpaper around a sanding sponge and lightly went over all that textured area. My absolute favorite step in creating mood is making a statement, and what better way to do that than to add a dramatically awesome decoupage print. It was about here that I realized I had gotten ahead of myself on a few things, so I had to take a few steps back. First, I need this decoupage paper to blend into my paint job, so I wet my fingers and went around the edges and made it tattered to make it fade easier. I also realized I hadn't drilled holes for the new handles yet, so I had to do that before I applied this decoupage paper on the front. One of the things that I love best about the Moody Beauty look is that there's a lot going on. So even if you're not the best at adding decoupage paper and you happen to get a couple wrinkles, there's so much to draw your eyes to take in the whole piece that you're not even gonna notice them. The last step in creating mood is to stick with a dark color palette. I painted the outside of the armoire white to add contrast, but I don't want that much difference in between my colors. The perfect way to darken up a color of paint is to apply some dark wax, so that's exactly what I did. I tried my regular method of doing clear wax first and then the dark, but it just wasn't getting the paint color as dark as I needed it. So I switched from adding that clear coat and just skipped that and went straight to adding dark wax right on to that white paint. And it worked out so much better.
Good morning, sweet baby.
Now that we have mood, let's add beauty. The best way to soften and lighten a piece is to add some shimmering gilding wax. After it was assembled, I took a step back, and when you open the side doors, I felt like the inside looked really empty. So I thought this Kacha stencil was the best way to fill that space. The pattern reminds me of the Queen's crown, and I figured the best way to fill this stencil is to use more bronze. I hope you enjoyed this flip. Comment, like, and share this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Now, let's take a look at our before and after.